If your business depends on a heat press every day, you need more than just something that gets hot. You need accurate pressure, consistent temperature, reliable performance. And honestly, support when something eventually goes wrong. Because when customers are waiting on orders, downtime matters. So today I want to show you the Heat Press Nation TrueSpec 16x20 Auto Open Hybrid Heat Press Complete Bundle and explain why this setup stands out to me not just as a crafter, but as someone who relies on a heat press for screen printing, DTF, sublimation, and HTV in my business. Hi, I'm Jennifer with Pigskins and Pigtails. Today I want to share a heat press review that goes beyond an unboxing and the basic specs. I want to talk about something I think is missing from a lot of heat press reviews on YouTube right now. What features actually matter when your heat press becomes an essential part of your business? Things like, how accurate is the pressure? Can you repeat the settings consistently? How easy is it to work around seams and zippers? What happens if something breaks? That's the stuff you need to know. So let's start with the setup. The first thing I noticed when this arrived is this thing is heavy. Definitely get help lifting it. But honestly, I see that as a good thing because it's solid and commercial grade, not lightweight and plastic like a piece of hobby equipment. Setup itself was actually very straightforward. Everything was packaged well. Instructions were easy to follow, and I had it set up and running pretty quickly. And something I think is important to point out, you don't need a giant commercial shop to use professional equipment. I'm here in my home craft room, and this is an IKEA drawer that I have added wheels to. I like that it fits in with the rest of my room, and it's going to be something I can move around. I'm using the drawers to store supplies right underneath, like my heat tape and pressing pillows. Now let's talk about the features that actually stand out to me and why they matter in real use. First is the 16x20 Platen Size. This is an upgrade from the 15x15 size that I've had with my previous heat presses, so I'm excited to have a larger size for those oversized graphics that I'll be able to do in one press. Next, and honestly one of the biggest things for me, is the active pressure readout. I think it's one of the most overlooked features when people shop for a heat press. Everybody talks about temperature, but pressure matters just as much, especially for things like DTF and VersaFlex, where application pressure directly affects your results. A lot of presses now are auto pressure, which are great for things like HTV or curing screen printing ink when the pressure doesn't really matter. But when you need to control your pressure, being able to fine tune it with the knob here and then see the active reading on the screen is really important. I've had presses before with the adjustable knob, but having the reading on the screen allows me to see my pressure so I can make note of what I used and then repeat the same pressure again next time. This helps me stay consistent with my products over time because even if I'm switching between different settings, I can still get everything set back exactly the way I need it for each product. Once I've tested and gotten my settings perfected for one material, I want to be able to record those settings so that I can replicate them over and over. I've saved my presets for curing screen printing ink, applying DTF transfers, and using VersaFlex. Instead of constantly adjusting the settings every time, I can just tap a preset. One of the details I like about this press is that I can also include a garment preheat time. This first time is going to be the time to preheat your garment, and the second timer is for the transfer application. But you can also leave it to 0 if you don't want to have 2 timers. Now let's talk about the interchangeable lower platens, because this is another feature that solves a real problem. A lot of pressing issues are actually pressure problems because of uneven surfaces. When you try to press an item like this with seams or buttons on a big press, you're not going to get firm pressure, especially when the design is close to the seams. Those are the spots that are likely not going to adhere well to the fabric, so they might not stick at all, or they may peel up after a few washes. So to get a more professional application, you need to avoid seams, zippers, collars, or pocket edges. Being able to swap platens makes a huge difference because now my seams hang over the edge and my surface is flat, so my transfer is going to adhere perfectly. Not only do the platens come in different sizes, but you can install them in different directions, giving you a ton of versatility. This 4x4 platen is perfect for drink koozies when applying Caesar puff heat transfer vinyl. This vinyl needs to be heated evenly in order to get the perfect puff, and the seams of the koozie would get in the way if you tried to press this entire thing under a large heat press. With the double timer setting, I'm able to do the first press, remove the film, and then do the second press at the exact times I need. These little details like consistent pressure and the dual timer are going to make doing a large order so much easier. Along with that, I really like the drawer style lower platen. Instead of reaching under the hot upper platen constantly, the lower platen pulls out towards you. That makes making the garment placement so much easier, especially when lining up transfers or positioning shirts accurately. It's also just more comfortable, less awkward reaching, and just easier to see and line up your designs. These are the kind of details that don't seem important until you're using a heat press constantly. And of course, this is an auto open press, which I personally love because I'm almost never standing still, only doing one task. I'm usually screen printing, prepping garments, organizing transfers, filming content, answering questions, and doing 10 things at once. So having a press that automatically opens helps prevent overpressing and helps keep my workflow moving. Now, one thing I think Heat Press Nation does really well, and honestly something I don't hear enough people talk about, is support and long-term ownership. Because eventually every machine needs maintenance. It's just a reality. But what gives me peace of mind with a purchase like this is knowing there's actual support behind it. They offer free lifetime technical support through phone, text, email, video call, and live chat. They also have service centers on both the East and West Coast where customers can either bring in or ship their machines for repair. And something I appreciate is that these machines are designed to be serviceable, meaning that if a part needs to be replaced, you don't have to throw away the whole machine. They can ship you a replacement part and walk you through the repair process so that they can get you back up and running quickly. And if you run a business, you can understand why that matters. Downtime costs money. That support system makes this feel more like an investment in your business instead of just another craft purchase. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, and you can extend that to cover up to 4 years. Now, is this machine for everybody? Honestly, it is not. If you are just a hobby crafter and only press an occasional shirt here or there, or maybe you're only focusing on screen printing and the pressure is not as critical, you can get away with a basic heat press or an iron. And this machine may be more than you need. But if you run a shirt business and you use a lot of DTF transfers or sublimation, you count on a heat press daily, or you just want one dependable heat press that can grow with your business, I think the features like the accurate pressure readout, the interchangeable platens, saved presets, and serviceability start making a lot more sense. The longer I do this, the more I realize the best equipment isn't always the flashiest. It's the equipment that you can depend on every single day. And for me, that's what stands out about the Heat Press Nation TrueSpec 16x20 Auto Open Hybrid Heat Press Complete Bundle. If you want to check out this exact setup that I'm using, I'll have everything linked below.